Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am going to do question 25 from the January 2026 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Basically, they just give us a linear equation and they want us to solve it. Here's my thinking. A lot of students think that they have to do this algebraically and work their way down to the answer. Once they get the answer, plug it back in to check it. I go the other way. This is not a mystery novel. It's okay if we know the answer first. So what I like to do in the way that I teach my students after we've learned this process is I say, go ahead and go to the calculator and figure out what the answer is first and put that down. So let me show you what. So I'm going to use menu 32 and I just typed in the linear equation and then I pressed enter and it told me that the answer is 1 over 4. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use that information, and down here at the bottom, I'm going to say 1 over 4. Now, I'm going to do the algebra and see if they match. All right, so I got 14x equals 3 parentheses 1 plus 2x minus 4x. So all I'm going to do is distribute. So this is going to be 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so this is going to be 6x. And then I got minus 4x here. Got an equal sign, 14x. Now I'm going to use boxes and circles because this is kind of what I teach my students. And this goes into a circle. Boxes go with boxes, circles go with circles. 6x minus 4x, we can simplify that. So this is going to be 2x. Now, boxes go with boxes, circles go with circles. So I'm just going to take this box, bring it over here, cross a line, change the sign. So this is going to be minus 2x. So over here, we're going to have 14x minus 2x, which is going to be a positive 12x. Over here, all we have is 3. Now, the last step, anytime you're solving equations or inequalities, you divide by whatever the coefficient is. In this case, excuse me, it's 12. So I'm going to divide both sides by 12. So I get x equals 1 over 4. Boom, done. They match. We're good. That's it. Now, you could graph this as well, but I think using menu 32 is easier for checking. Right? The only thing you have to do, since we only have one linear equation, you're going to have to change the default setting of 2 to 1 equation, and then, go ahead and do that. All right, I am going to stop, and I am going to post this.